difference to their area or to the lives of others. Highly commended group award, ladies and gentlemen, Conwy Youth Services Healthy Image Project Volunteer Group. I'd like to welcome up Alwyn Williams, Blake Jones and Ryan Bishop. They've been nominated by Chris Gledhill at Conwy Youth Services, and the aim of the project is to promote healthy lifestyle and physical activity to young people in Conwy, which includes all sorts of things, sports, etc., etc. Many of those sports and healthy sessions simply could not take place without them. So well done to all three of them. Congratulations to you, well done. Highly commended.